Hi, my name is Stefan Schlögl. I'm a PhD student at Trinity College Dublin, where I work as part of the Center for Next Generation Localization on human-computer interaction and interaction design issues. I want to use the next couple of minutes to show you a quick demo of some parts of my work. This demo is part of an overall concept scenario called Multilingual Social Networking. As part of this scenario, I want to show you an early version of a tool that aims to offer an easy way of low-fidelity prototyping applications that use all kinds of language technology. So for instance, speech recognition, machine translation, speech synthesis. The use of these technology increased over the last couple of years steadily, since the quality improved. Just think about the use of machine translation as it is used to understand news articles in a foreign language, or in-car navigation systems that understand speech input and guide you the way using synthesized speech output. Easy ways of prototyping those systems, however, are missing. People like me, working in the field of interaction design and human-computer interaction, we like to test ideas very early in the design process. The earlier the better. That is why we generally like sketches. Sometimes nothing is better than a piece of paper and a pen. It is quick and easy, and most of all it's unfinished, meaning that there is lots of room for improvement. We use those sketches to get feedback, to evaluate our design. For language, this sketching is however not that easy. My goal is therefore to create a tool that makes it easy to test systems that use language technology. Luckily, within the Center for Next Generation Localization, we do have various language technology components. So I wanted to show you how I used them as part of something that is called a Wizard of Oz tool. Wizard of Oz is a method in interaction design that tries to bring the low fideliness of sketching to the language technology domain. Pretty much like sketching, it wants to test the design of a technology before it is actually built. By doing this, one tries to understand and evaluate future user experiences without the need of investing a lot of resources and money into building the technology first. To do so, a Wizard of Oz experiment replaces the technology with a human. So basically, for the time of the evaluation, we would cheat by telling test subjects that they would interact with a machine. In reality, however, they interact with a human. Let me show you an example, and this all will become much clearer. Imagine the following situation. We have two people chatting with each other. One of them speaks German, the other one English. The German speaker is interested in buying a new antivirus software for his computer and asks if the English-speaking guy has any recommendation. The English speaker recommends the X-Epsilon antivirus system. Then the German speaker says that he has heard of the system, but friends of him told him that it would require a lot of resources. The English speaker replies that it should work on most Turing computers and asks what kind of system the German person has. Looking at the two chat windows, what I've implemented here is a multilingual chat system. Per se, that's nothing new, not a lot of systems out like that. The difference here is that everything that is sent from one person to the other first is sent through machine translation and then ends up at a third person, up here. This third person we call the wizard, and this person, who is bilingual, German-English, checks the translation coming out of the machine, corrects it if there are possible mistakes, and then sends it on. Doing this allows us to test an optimal, on-the-fly machine translation system without actually having it. We can use this to get a language corpora, meaning collect utterances that are used in specific domains. Also, we can use this to test and compare different language technologies by just plugging in a different MT system, translation system, or simply to evaluate what a user would think of a perfectly working machine. We can test the actual user experience. In this demo here, in addition to machine translation, I've also integrated another technology that is called speech synthesis. So, if I give you an example now, if the German guy would answer, Ich habe ein Netbook, which is German for I have a netbook, sends it on, it would arrive at the wizard screen. Ich habe ein netbook, that's the source language. Translated into I have a netbook. It's a perfect translation. If I would send this on, It will arrive here in English. As you can see, the right side is the English side. Everything is in English. On the left side, everything is in German. So it would arrive on the right side in English, and it would not only be written there, but it would also be spoken out. So let me show you.
I have a netbook.
Here you can see, again, we have speech synthesis, we have machine translation. Both is mocked up, both is not perfect, but this system gives us the possibility to test user experiences, to collect language corpora, to test language technology. So that's pretty much it from my side. I hope you liked the demo. If you're interested in my work, don't hesitate to contact me. Otherwise, just keep following this channel. We will post more soon. Thank you very much.